still have an R out in front. Okay, but instead of the 1 being off the back, this time it's in front, so it's 1 minus parentheses 1 plus I, and this is another really careful, guys. It's not to the n, it's to the negative n on the top. And then on the bottom, once again, we just have I. Okay, so make sure you have that all written down. I'm not going to write down what the things are because the things are the same. Okay. Kendrick, let's say you wanted to buy a car, Kendrick. How much is your car going to cost you? Throw out a number.
So how much is like $5?
No. You're going to buy a real car. What's your loan amount going to be?
500.
Okay. You can't buy a car for $500. Sorry. You probably barely can do that anymore. We're getting a loan. Mackenzie, throw out a number. Man, you guys want to get small loans. Okay, 5,000. Let's make it a short loan because hopefully you're not going to take too long to pull off a $5,000 loan. So let's say your interest rate is 7%, and the length of the loan is 3 years. So the difference in this problem is you're trying to figure out your monthly payment. What letter is that? You guys remember what unknown is the payment? Look back. Which one is the R? Okay. So basically on these kinds of problems, we're going to use our calculator and we're going to take our loan amount and we're going to divide by whatever this number is to figure out what R is. Okay? So our loan amount goes right there. So we have 5,000 equals. We do not know what R is. We're going to leave it in there. And then we have 1 minus, 1 plus. Our interest rate is not 0.07. You have to take 0.07 and divide it by how often are you making a payment for a loan? You don't know this stuff? Come on, guys. Every month. Okay. All right, so then my other question is this. N is the number of payments you make. You're going to make a payment every month for 3 years. Every month for 3 years is how many payments? 36. So this is going to be raised to the negative 36 power. On the bottom, it should match the I you see up here. Okay, get those calculators ready. So for this one, I am still going to start in the same spot. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to type that in first, and then I'm going to do 1 minus my answer. I am going to have to use the answer key. And then I'm going to divide by that. Are you ready? Get this out. Would you confirm that you get 0.811-ish when you do 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12, raised to the negative 36? Okay. Do not round it. Kendrick. Good. Don't get mad. I'm just teasing you. I don't forget. I can't let go of the rounding. All right, now watch. I need to do 1 minus that. So you're going to do 1 minus, and you're not going to type in 0.811. You're going to type in answer. To get answer, you're going to hit the second key, which is up here, and the answer button, which is the minus.
Thank you for cooperation. You can go ahead and clear now. So go about your regular school day business. Thank you.
Okay. You then should get 0.1889210.426. We good so far? All right, divided by, in parentheses, 0.07 over 12. Now you may round. This whole big bracket is 32.386. Do you see that? All right, so I have 5,000 equals R times 32.386. How would you solve for R? How would you solve for R? Divide. Okay. I mean, if you want to be really fancy, you could still use the answer button, but. So your payment is going to be $154.39.